Hey and welcome to Alpha One. This Sunday we are going to run Alpha One Trader. It's a pocket option, binary option robot that works worldwide, and you can run this robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Forex signal group at Telegram that is completely for free. So let's start up this amazing robot. And there we have it, $135 in matter of minutes again. So if you want to run this robot also, you find link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.